Guys, tingnan natin napapakain ng aking baboy. Lupya.
Ano? Ano ang pinapakain mo?
Lupya.
Lumpia ha. Tingnan natin. Kung talagang nakain ng lumpia. Bakit lumpia?
Ayun ang sabi ni Papa eh. Lumpia. Sabaw na.
Tingin. Ko, ang lalaki na pala ng baboy na yan, oh.
Laki ng buhok. Huwag niyo hawakan, baka agatin kayo. Laki. Ang ano yan, ang grabing kahoy.
Tulugan nila yan.
Tulugan nila yung
Yan baboy damo. Ay, baboy, ano? Ang tawag dito?
native.
Wow.
Baboy native.
Baboy native, ha?
Para kayong dalawa ay babae. Ito, napakalaki.
Hmm.
Ito yung lalaki. Na?
Masaan ang lalaki?
Ayan. Napakalaki.
Ano pinakain ni Papa mo dyan?
Parang noodles yan eh.
Gulay. Tsaka darak.
Darak.
Ang lalaki na, no?
Malaki. 3 years pa yung mabibiging native sa baboy na malaki. Hanggang langit. Lalaki yan. 20 meters long. Tapos ang ngipin niya ay lalaki na parang baboy damo.
Ganun. Ay, si Papa yun, nagpuputol ng kasi gagawin natin yung bagong bahay ng
Baboy?
Oo, ito oh. Ayun oh.
Guys, ito nagagawa yung bagong bahay ng baboy na native.
Makamo ng kabayan, hinahati.
Nahate yung bamboo. Yung bamboo yung nakakain ng kenda.
What is penda?
Kenda is a bear that eats bamboo. It is the largest one and the fighting skills is combo.
Oh.
He is a panda is a largest one. The feeding the brown bear. Can't feed anything. What is the grizzly bear? Bamboo is harder than anything. And bamboo is grown to 20 meters long. And bamboo panda he have sharp teeth to eat it. Po. Bagong bahay ni Papa, ang baboy nagagawa ni Papa, ayun, nagagawa pa niya. Magaling si Papa magawa.
Native ho yan eh, hindi naman dyan.
He cut it to pieces.
Lugi kayo dyan baka. Ay gagas.
Ayun Jay, oh, nagbubumba si Lola.
Papa, bakit ang laki ng itak?
Yung malaki takot. Wala ka na malaki takot eh.
napakatigas. Dahil why is this so hard? That is easy for panda is to eat anything sharp. This stick is sharpening, super sharp, to eat a bamboo. You can see it. A bamboo looks like kangkong.
What?
It looks like a kangkong.
Why? Are you serious? Bamboo is like a kangkong?
Yes, it's green, like
The color.
color is green, and it's hard. And that is soft to get there. Bamboo, tawag dun, bam,